we're trying to do is harness employee volunteering. In Cardiff we've got so many organisations that have corporate social responsibility, so many employees, people who work in the city, who are looking to volunteer. And we hadn't really harnessed that power of that before. We also had a whole range of small community organisations that were struggling because of cuts to their funding, cuts to their ability to involve volunteers in a supported way. And we had an opportunity in the Butetown area of Cardiff, where we have such a diversity of populations, people from all over the world, people from very different socioeconomic circumstances, big commercial entities, retail entities, colleges, community organisations, and not really an opportunity for these organisations to interact. So what we did is we looked at taking the motif of the volunteering mile, following a mile of the old Glamorganshire Canal from Callahan Square in Cardiff city centre up to Mermaid Quay, which is currently a park, and a lovely park, but has the potential to be a great deal more than that. And we involved local groups, local organisations in getting their ideas about what could make that park and the environment and their communities a more enjoyable and involving place. We then took those ideas to the companies that have employees in the local area, with the hope that we could sustain those projects and ideas by using corporate social responsibility and employees from local companies. And we've come up with about 15 of them that range from education to employment training, to sport, to music, to cooking, all of which have the ultimate aim of bringing people together and making that mile a very exciting and creative place. Well, our aspiration is set by New York actually, and the High Line in New York, which has over the last couple of years involved so many volunteers from so many different parts of the community in transforming a deserted area of railway into a place which is an attraction which people come the world over to see, because it's full of activity. Groups and ideas are starting up all the time there. And we hope to emulate that, a little bit of that, in the city of